Going to the Christmas market December 14 here in Amsterdam. Here, this one right in front of me, that is Madame Tussauds. As a matter of fact, that I thought that there will be way more Christmas decorations, but as we know, the Dutch people, they save a lot, so they saved on decoration, therefore on electricity. I love Amsterdam. Okay. I do believe that that is Kalverstraat. That is the way for our Christmas market. Few years ago I was here in Madame Tussauds in Amsterdam. It was quite a disappointing experience. It's really very small inside to go. It took like an hour, but the price was high. So not good value for the money in Madame Tussauds in Amsterdam. Good opletten. And I believe that is the beginning of the Christmas market, one of the streets.